evening, everybody. What's going on? So, good to see you again. First off, let's get that out the way. Second of all, I finally got something in that I ordered 3 weeks ago. Obviously, with everything that's been going on, shipping has been delayed pretty significantly. However, this product I ordered for the Jetta is an upgrade / replacement, because what I currently have, sounds like junk, sounds like garbage, and this thing's about time to change that. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna have a quick unboxing, and then we're going to follow up with my thoughts, what my plans are, and the options that I may or may not take in going forward with this product. All right, guys, so start by opening this up. Get this out of the way. So if you guys can tell, the product comes from God Snow. So if you already can tell, yes, this is an exhaust. A muffler to be exact. And what I ordered was a 3-inch inlet with a 4-inch slant tip. So give it a nice little profile as you're looking at it from the rear of the car. It does have the silencer, which is held in by these Allen screws, which we don't want silencers. We don't use silencers. So I'm gonna take it out, duh. But pretty nice, it's a stainless steel. The welds, the TIG welds look really good. I don't see any bubbling. Looks like, a nice row of quarters. Well, in this case, probably dimes. Don't see any gapping. Same thing along the rear. You can tell that the rear was done prior to it being stainless coated. No shaking, feels solid. There's no rattling or anything like that. So I think this is gonna be a pretty good product. I have seen some reviews on this online, on Amazon, on eBay, which I will be putting the description or the links in the description for this product for both locations, eBay and Amazon. But yeah, so now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this away, and then we're going to discuss the options I'm gonna take as well as where I'm going to go. All right, so my plans, first of all, is debating on whether on connecting it via clamp, so that would involve cutting off the old damaged exhaust that rattles and just, getting another T-clamp and connecting this one to where I cut it off. Based on the size of the rear coupling point, I think that would be a possible route. However, the reason why I'm really leaning towards welding it in place is because we're gonna have to transfer the hanger over. So I'm gonna need to cut that off of the old exhaust and weld that onto the new exhaust. As well as there might need to be some additional length added, as far as maybe a curved pipe coming from the current system to this muffler, because the barrel seems to be a little bit more uniform on this one versus the other one. The other one is another God Snow kind of product that the former owner put on the car. And if you look at it, the barrel of the exhaust, the outlet port is offset towards the top of the muffler barrel, where this is centered from front to back. So in order to make sure that I'm not rubbing up against the car or anything like that, make sure we have our clearances, that's why I think welding is probably gonna wind up being the best option. If anybody has any opinions, any experience on a Jetta or a GTI, a vehicle of similar size, please leave a comment down in the comment area. Obviously, where else would you leave it? But let me know what you think. Let me know what you would suggest. If there's any issues that you came across. And I'm really just looking forward to getting this on. I will be going back to CIP, who did my timing belt for me, so that I can, support local businesses and, help these guys out, and as well as, keep building a relationship with these guys so that the more work that I get done, because there's going to come a certain point where not everything you can do yourself if you don't have a lift or certain equipment. You know what I mean? Because I'm not going to go and buy a welder to use once every 3 years, even though I know how to weld. It's not financially responsible, but race car. Wrench Daily.